Hey everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to fix File Explorer when it's not responding or keeps crashing in Windows 11. First, right-click the Start icon and select Run. Type regedit and press Enter to open the registry editor. Now, on the left side, click HKey_current_user, then open Software, then Classes. Scroll down until you find Local Settings, open it, then open Software, Microsoft, Windows, and finally Shell. Here, right-click the folder named BAG-MRU, choose Delete, and click OK. Do the same for the folder named Bags. Right-click, delete, and confirm. Once you're done, restart your PC, and File Explorer should be running smoothly again. That's it, quick and easy. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Windows fixes.